I was going through my email yesterday morning and I came across this message right here that actually says I just need to complete the verification to get a $50 deposit bonus. Now, I want you to pay close attention because for sure by the end of this video you'll be getting the bonus if you follow the steps I'll be explaining. And one thing I want you to know is that there's the catch to it. And after this quick intro, I'll be sharing with you the time preposition so you know the things you are required to meet to be able to place withdrawal. So before I actually proceed with the terms and conditions, let me actually congratulate every single person following this channel because we are back to the era of where you'll be able to click on the link you find in the description. Also, you'll be able to find the pinned link in the comment section, which gives you easy access to anything you want to click on. The link to the bonus, the link to the Telegram channel, it gives you easy access. So yesterday morning I just got verified on YouTube and we are back to that era where we'll be able to click on the links. So before you actually proceed to clicking on the link, I want everyone watching this right now to subscribe, give the video a like, and turn on your notification so that you don't miss out anytime I drop updates like this. Now I'm actually planning on starting a 30-day challenge, which means for the next 30 days you will be getting nothing less than one deposit bonus every single day for the next 30 days, which means by the end of the 30 days I should have nothing less than 20 to 30 withdrawal proof from a lot of us, because at the same time I'll be sharing signals to be able to, for us to be able to trade the market, different signals, not just on XASD alone, different signals on other currency pairs in case you want to trade with the bonus. Proceeding with the bonus of today. Now, like I said, let's quickly take a look at the terms and conditions. Now I'll just brief you guys on how to claim it and the requirements you need to meet to be able to place withdrawal. Now for how to claim it, you can see it right here. You just need to log in, which I'll be adding the link to the comment section. So you just need to log in and you'll be brought to the site. Secondly, you need to complete verification. You can see it showing right here on the screen, and you need to check your no deposit bonus eligibility. And during that process, you just have to open a trading account, which you see no deposit bonus, and you'll be getting the free account. So right here, clicking on the link you find in the comment section or in the description, it will bring you to this platform right here, in my market. Now if you have an account with them already, you just need to log in, but if not, you need to sign up. Filling in your title, which is either Mr. or Mrs., your full name, you can see it right there, your date, your birth year, your birth month, your birthday, and also the country of residence. And you see a section right there where you put in your email address and you create a password, and that same password you repeat it again into this section right here and click on client agreement. Now clicking on that, you now click on continue and you'll be logged in into the site. But firstly, you'll be asked to verify your email address. Now immediately you're logged in, you should be brought to this section right here requiring you to verify your account, and you're actually going to be taking a selfie with your ID in your hand. And also this is where I'm actually having issues for my aspects, because I'm currently not with my ID, so I can't actually verify this account. But once you're done verifying and you come to this section right here where you are required to open a live account, you see it right here. Just click on the three lines at the top, this three lines at the top, and among the options you click on account. The first option you see at the top right there, account, and you click on open live account. Now if you try opening an account, you see select account type. For the account type, you can see among the options there is welcome bonus for MP5. So you click on it, and that's if you've been verified. Now once you get verified, you'll be getting this bonus for sure, because I'll try using another person's details, another person's ID to claim the bonus. So for this, at the same time, I'll be sending the details to the community to let you guys know that I've gotten mine. But for those who actually have their ID available, just go straight, follow this process and claim this bonus. So and immediately you get the bonus, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a message in my DM that you've gotten it. And to get verified very quick, you can see at the top right here that says click here to see exactly what is missing. That is where you click on, and it brings you right here to this section where you need to submit your document for verification. Now you see right here, I've been filled automatically. You just need to select which document you want to upload, your national ID or your passport. Select the country which the country of issue, the country where you're from, and also right here you need to upload the front side or the back and the back side of you holding your ID in your hand. So right there, after that is done, you click on upload, and once you've been verified, the message will be sent to your email address explaining to you that you've been verified. Now you can now proceed to claiming the bonus, and automatically the bonus will be credited if you've created an account before you get verified. So in case you have not created an account, just go straight to create an account and you'll be credited automatically immediately after the account is being created. So I'm sure everyone understood every single process I just explained in this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, your colleagues who are actually in need of free forex deposit bonus, free funded accounts. Like I said earlier, I'll be dropping video for the next 30 days straight up with Signals and Telegram channel to trade with the bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, guys.